How to change the measurement scales in Microsoft Word, and lots of people are facing this problem, and today I'm going to teach you how can you change the measurement scale in Microsoft Word. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press in the bell icon also. If you didn't press in the bell icon, you will not get any kind of notification from my YouTube channel. That's why you have to subscribe and you have to press in the bell icon. And without any late, let's begin our tutorial. So here is my computer screen. I'm going to show you my computer screen.
So now you can see here is my computer screen and this is Microsoft Word. If you don't know how can you open Microsoft Word, just you have to press Windows key plus R, then you have to type WINWORD, WinWord. Okay, then you have to press in the OK. But I have already opened my Microsoft Word, so I am going to show you how can you change the measurement units in Microsoft Word. It's very easy and it's the common problems of lots of people. It's this problem is facing lots of people, so that's why I'm making this video. So now you can see if I insert a picture, so I'm going to insert and pictures, and from here I'll insert a picture. Just wait for a moment. From here I'll insert a picture. Now you can see here's a picture of mine and the measurement in the millimeter, right? Because I have already changed this one, and even maybe I think you have in inches, because the default measurement unit of Microsoft Word is inch. So how can you change the measurement units? So for this, just you have to go in the file and you have to click in the options, and from here you have to click in the advanced. Okay, now there are lots of options available. Typing replaces selected text. When selecting automatically select entire word, allow text to be dragged and dropped. Lots of options available here, and you have to you have to go down. Okay, now you can see there is options show this number of show measurement in units of, and you can see now I have selected millimeters. There is lots of measurements available. There is inches, centimeters, millimeters, points, picas, and lots of options available. You can choose your desired measurement units from here, but now I'm choosing centimeters, and after this I have to click in the OK. Now you can see in my height and width of my picture there is a centimeter available. So this is the right way to change your measurement units in Microsoft Word. Hoping you understand. That's it.
Hoping that you understand about how can you change the measurement scales in Microsoft Word, and thank you so much for watching this video. And if you have still any kind of confusion, you can ask me in the comment sections. Once again, thank you so much. I'll meet with you on another video. Thank you so much. Goodbye. See you again.